Do you know what a flash drive is used for? Have you ever used one? Now, what if I told you that a flash drive is an example of a network connector? If you have a picture on your computer that you want to send to your phone, how do you transfer it? If you said through a cable cord, then you are current. A network cable, like your phone cord or a flash drive, is used to share or transfer information from one device to another device. For example, sending your picture from a camera to the laptop through a cord. Do you know that these network cables and connectors come in different types and can be used for more than just exchanging pictures and videos? Now, the fiber optics cable can be used for helping distribute a wide area network, like the network that comes from your SIM cards. And the twisted pair cable is used for sounds like your headphones, speakers, and even your AirPods. And lastly, the rollover cables that allow two computers to connect and share files or documents. I'm sure you've learned something in this class. Thank you for your time, and bye.